So we're outside the St Andrews pub, and these are all the vintage motorcycles here.
A pretty late one. This is 78 Triumph, this one.
78 Triumph, yeah.
My one, which is a sort of a 69 and stuff, which has been modified quite extensively over the years.
1969, yeah.
I've had that since I was 17, so
Really?
for 47 years.
Yeah.
Done a few miles on it.
And my brother actually fixed the forks.
Did the suspension on the front of it many years ago.
That's great, isn't it?
Improved it and worked brilliantly ever since.
Yep, yep. And what's this one?
It's a Velocet, 500 Velocet. Yeah, 1953 or 4, I think.
Right.
Rods.
Yep, rods, yep.
AJS single.
So all these were made in the UK?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another British one, AJS.
Yep.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to change over now.
An American one here, an Indian. This is a 500 Indian, ex-New Zealand ex-New Zealand Army.
This one, yeah.
Yeah.
So would this be the only one in Australia like this?
There may be
Probably?
others, but probably pretty rare. Yeah, it's actually the original, with all the original army gear on it.
Yeah.
So they would have supplied them to the army in New Zealand back then.
Jeez, yeah.
St Vincent Repeat.
1,000cc.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that motor.
Yeah. Sought after machines these days.
Yes, that one's pretty expensive, isn't it? Yeah.
Another 500 matchless. 350 Velocet in original condition, 350 Mac.
Which
This one's 1948, I think.
1948.
Pretty much original condition.
The Indian. 1200. Yeah.
I've got to take Paul home. He's interested in this old Harley. It was about 1917, 18, I think. First World War era.
1917.
No, maybe a bit later. First World War era.
Yeah, yeah.
It was this guy's grandfather's bike, actually.
Really?
He restored it a few years ago.
That was his grandfather's bike.
Yeah, so he can remember it.
Yeah.
Sitting on it as a young kid. They've done an amazing
Gee,
restoration on that.
that is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. It's been in the family for a long time.
Oi. That's great. All right. I'm sorry, what's your name again?
Mick.
Mick.
Yeah,
Nice
yeah,
to meet you,
Crane.
Mick. Nice. Yeah, no, very good. Thank you. So if you want to see these guys, I recommend you come out here on a Saturday morning. It's well worth a visit. Fantastic bikes.